everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have another box from IT Cosmetics right here. I have been added to their PR list, so I'm always excited for that. Let's see what we have. So this is how the box comes. Beautiful little box. I'm excited to get their products. So here we have Hello Sunshine Invisible SPF 50. Wow. 3-in-1 Invisible Sunscreen Daily SPF 50, Hydrating Serum and Makeup Primer. No white cast, no greasiness right here. Wow. Let's see what they look like. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. So the card says, "Hi Maureen, say hello to your skin's best friend. Introducing its first ever 3-in-1 Invisible SPF, Hello Sunshine. This multitasking, skin-loving SPF will quickly become part of your daily routine, and we're so excited for you to try it." I am excited too. 1% pro vitamin B5 plus hyaluronic acid. I love that it can be used as a primer. That is awesome. Hydrating serum, makeup primer, and daily SPF of 50. I mean, I protect my face at all costs. Let me peel off this. I do not want the sun getting to my face at all. I do not want, and it is a white product. I'm just gonna, right here, let's just rub it in. So it's being rubbed in right here. I don't see it, do you? No white cast. And I don't smell the sunscreen. What am I smelling? I don't know. It's just like a clean scent. No white cast whatsoever. It left my skin feeling wonderful. I'm loving that this is a primer. Can be used as a primer. Daily SPF 50. Hydrating serum and makeup primer. Oh, you better believe I'm going to add this. Summer's here. Spring, summer. You should really use sunscreen all year round. Driving your car, those rays are coming right through, hitting your face, hitting your side of your face from your window, your arm. That's, you know, it does happen. My younger brother, who's a truck driver, is forever, his left arm and hand are inside of his face. Always tanner than they're all right because it's protected inside. You don't get it as much from the passenger side. He's full on. You know, he does wear sunscreen on his face and sunglasses and things like that. I always have sunglasses on when I'm outside because that can affect your eyes. But I am so excited to add this into my routine. Gives me my hydrating serum, hyaluronic acid, and makeup primer. Thank you, IT Cosmetics. I love this. I cannot wait to add this to my daily routine. I will start tomorrow for sure. And, but that feels so nice. Smells so good, too. I wonder what it, if I put makeup on top of it, how it would, I'm sure it would be fine. Let me see, what do I have handy that I could just put on top and we could see? I'm going to open anything. I have the Luna Magic Soft Perfection Foundation Powder. Let me just put a little bit of that on top of this just to see. Look at this packaging. Gorgeous, huh? I have tried this once. Let me just get a little sponge. I want to use this other sponge. I always keep a sponge. I use a dry sponge for powders. And just stipple it on. And let's just see what this looks like over top of the IT Cosmetics. Like, and I just stipple it on. I don't rub it. That looks actually pretty nice. There's my hand. Here's my other hand. This does not have it. The one with the sponge has nothing. Can you see the difference? Wow, that is nice. Huge difference. Like, it definitely is a nice little primer. Ooh, I'm excited. Excited. Where's my little protective shield? Plus, I love this powder. This is so nice. So, okay, that worked out nice. I will be starting this first thing tomorrow and adding this to my routine. Looks phenomenal and feels nice under the powder. It's not transferring. Like even just some of that powder, like there's still some left on there. Even if I just rub it in, it still looks like this is the one with and without. Just very dry and not protected. Wow, I do like that. I will wash that sponge because I just did put powder on it. So a big thank you to IT Cosmetics. I greatly appreciate you sending me out your products. Highly recommend. I know a lot of you said you haven't used a lot from IT Cosmetics, but they've been around a long time, and big fan. So summer's here. Get your SPF, your primer, your hyaluronic acid all in one. Why not? And big thank you to IT Cosmetics as always. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.